There is a kind of sweetness that comes with watching a baby sleep. Soft cheeks rising and falling, tiny fingers curled gently, and a peaceful innocence that seems almost too perfect for this world. But there is something even sweeter, seeing a baby wrapped in a handmade crochet outfit, looking like a little bundle of love and artistry. For many mothers, aunties, and grandmothers, crochet baby clothes are more than clothing. They are memories stitched into tiny shapes. They are comfort crafted with affection. They are the gentle language of care expressed through yarn. I remember a woman who once shared a story about her first daughter. She said the only outfit her baby never cried in was a small pink crochet sweater made by her mother-in-law. There was something warm, airy, and naturally calming about it. She didn't know much about crochet then, but she knew that the moment she touched that little sweater, she felt a softness that wasn't just on her hands, it was on her heart. Every time she dressed her baby in it, the child looked even more angelic. The color complemented her skin, the yarn felt gentle on her body, and the entire outfit made the baby look and feel like she was wrapped in love itself. That is the charm of crochet baby clothes. They hold a tenderness that ordinary fabrics simply cannot imitate. Crochet is a craft of patience and intention. Every stitch is placed with care. Every design holds meaning. When a baby wears crochet, it is as if the child is wrapped in a warm embrace. Now let's talk about the beauty of crochet baby clothes. First, there is the obvious visual beauty. Crochet pieces are delicate and decorative. From tiny cardigans to soft booties, from baby caps to little gowns, crochet clothes have a texture that stands out. The patterns can be simple or intricate, but they always look unique. When a baby wears crochet, the natural loops and patterns bring out the softness of their skin. It is a clothing style that complements their innocence, highlighting their gentle features. Crochet also enhances the glow of a baby's skin. Because crochet stitches allow air to flow, the yarn never suffocates the skin. Instead, it sits lightly on top of it, allowing the natural softness to shine through. On darker skin, bright or pastel crochet patterns pop beautifully. On lighter skin, soft, earthy tones or delicate colors look perfect. Crochet has a magical way of balancing color, making the baby look radiant, warm, and irresistibly adorable. But beyond beauty, crochet baby clothes are incredibly useful. They are breathable, meaning they help regulate a baby's temperature. Babies can get hot quickly, especially when wrapped in thick fabrics. Crochet solves this by letting air pass through tiny loops, keeping the baby cool while still offering comfort. On colder days, thicker yarns can be used to provide warmth without making the baby sweat. Crochet is one of the few clothing types that suits both warm and cool weather, depending on the yarn used. Crochet baby clothes also have the benefit of being gentle on sensitive skin. Most babies have delicate skin that reacts to rough textures. But with soft yarns like baby wool, cotton, or acrylic blends, the fabric becomes soothing and mild. It prevents irritation, reduces itchiness, and allows the baby to move freely without discomfort. This is one reason many mothers prefer crochet outfits for newborns and infants. Another usefulness of crochet baby clothes is flexibility. Crochet stretches without losing its shape. It moves with the baby's body. When the baby wiggles, kicks, or curls up, the crochet fabric adjusts smoothly. It doesn't restrict movement, it doesn't press too tightly, it adapts naturally, allowing the child to stay comfortable all day. Crochet baby clothes are also durable. Machine-made baby clothing often loses shape or fades after a few washes, but well-made crochet holds its form for a long time. When cared for properly, it can be passed down to siblings or saved as a keepsake. Many families treasure their crochet baby pieces, storing them as memories they can revisit when the child grows. Now let's talk about something important, how to recognize a good crocheted baby item when you see one. The first thing to check is the stitch consistency. Good crochet has neat, even stitches. Every loop is similar in size, and the pattern looks balanced. Irregular stitches may indicate rushed work or lack of skill. A smooth, uniform pattern shows craftsmanship and care. Next, check the yarn quality. For babies, the yarn must feel soft and gentle. Good crochet baby clothes never feel rough or scratchy. Cotton, baby acrylic, soft wool, and bamboo yarns are excellent choices. If the yarn feels too hard or stiff, it may not be suitable for a baby's sensitive skin. Then look at the tension. A well-made crochet piece is not too tight and not too loose. If it's too tight, the fabric becomes stiff and uncomfortable. If it's too loose, it loses shape quickly. Proper tension makes the outfit flexible yet stable. Examine the finishing touches. High-quality crochet baby clothing always has clean edges, neatly woven ends, and no hanging threads. Buttons are sewn securely. Seams are smooth, not bulky or uneven. A well-finished crochet item shows professionalism. Color coordination is important too. Good crochet usually blends colors beautifully. The shades should complement the baby's skin tone, not clash with it. Pastels, earth tones, whites, creams, pinks, blues, and soft yellows often look gorgeous on babies, but the key is harmony. Also check elasticity. Lightly stretch the fabric. A good crocheted piece should expand slightly and return to its original shape. If it stretches too much, the outfit may become loose after a few wears. Now let's talk about how to care for crochet baby clothes. Proper care is what allows them to stay soft, beautiful, and long-lasting. The best way to wash crochet baby clothes is by hand. Use mild soap or baby-friendly detergent and cool water. Harsh chemicals can weaken yarn fibers. Gently soak the clothing and press it softly. Do not rub too hard and avoid twisting the fabric. After washing, never wring the outfit. Instead, press out the water using your hands, place the garment on a clean towel, and roll it to absorb excess moisture. Then lay the crochet piece flat to dry. Reshape it while it's still damp to maintain its original form. Hanging it can cause unwanted stretching. Keep crochet baby clothes away from direct sunlight when drying. Sunlight can fade the colors and weaken the yarn. Let them dry naturally in a cool, airy place. When storing, fold them neatly and keep them in a clean drawer or storage box. Avoid sharp objects or jewelry near them because crochet stitches can easily snag. If the outfit has buttons or tiny decorations, store it separately to prevent tangling. If a stitch loosens or a thread comes out, don't pull it. Always fix it gently or take it to someone who knows crochet. Proper repair keeps the garment strong and beautiful. Now let's return to the emotional side, the magic that makes crochet baby clothes special. There is something deeply heartwarming of dressing a baby in crochet. It feels like dressing them in love. The airy texture hugs their little bodies softly. The delicate yarn sits gently on their skin. The beauty of the patterns brings out their features in the most adorable way. Crochet outfits make babies look like tiny angels wrapped in the softness of creativity. Each crochet baby piece becomes a memory. The first sweater, the tiny booties, the first hat, the special outfit worn home from the hospital, every piece holds meaning. One day, a mother will open a memory box and see that small crochet dress or cap and remember the warmth of early motherhood. She will remember the smell of her baby, the peaceful naps, the gentle cuddles. Crochet baby clothes bring out a baby's natural glow. They complement every shade of skin: fair, brown, caramel, deep chocolate, or golden. The yarn sits beautifully against the skin, highlighting softness and innocence. There is something timeless about crochet. It never goes out of style. It follows babies from generation to generation, each stitch telling a story. Wearing crochet is like wearing tradition, love, and beauty in one soft piece. In the end, crochet baby clothes are not just garments, they are treasures. They bring comfort, style, and tenderness to a baby's life. They complement their skin, enhance their beauty, protect their